In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import and export Excel files on Monday.com. We'll walk through bringing an Excel or CSV file into a new board so your data becomes organized, searchable, and ready to manage. I'll also share a few tips to make the process smoother and help you avoid common formatting hiccups. Start by opening your workspace and navigating to the board where you want to kick things off, such as a budget plan board. Look for the plus icon in your workspace toolbar. This is your shortcut to creating and importing. Click the plus, and from the menu that opens, choose Import Data. This tells Monday.com you're bringing in information from outside the platform and want it turned into a structured board. Next, select the Excel CSV option. You'll see an upload screen with two choices. Drag your file into the window or click to browse your computer. Before you upload, a quick tip. Your spreadsheet should have clear column headers in the first row, one item per row, and no merge cells. Keep dates in a consistent format and make sure any people or status values are written consistently. Clean input here saves mapping time later and reduces surprises after import. Choose your file, and once it's uploaded, click. Let's customize your new board. This is where you map your spreadsheet columns to Monday.com columns. Pick which column should become the item name. Usually something like task, project, or expense. Then review each column and match it to the best type. Status for categories or stages, date for timelines, numbers for amounts, and text for notes. If Monday.com suggests a type, you can accept it or change it. You can also organize items into groups if your sheet includes a category column, which keeps the board tidy. When your mapping looks right, click Next. Use this screen to double-check the preview. Make sure sample rows look correct, dates align, and numbers haven't been interpreted as text. If something seems off, adjust the mapping before proceeding. Click Next again to confirm everything. Finally, click Create Board. Monday.com will build your new board, add the groups, and populate all your items according to the mapping you set. Larger files might take a moment, let it process. After it loads, scan a few rows to confirm totals, dates, and statuses came through as expected. If you notice anything misaligned, it's easy to tweak column types or run the import again. And that's it. Your data is now structured in Monday.com. And if you ever need a spreadsheet copy, exporting from the board menu is straightforward. Thanks for watching.